Well, hello beautiful people of YouTube, it's me, Papa Santi, back again with my final video with the man cave, and I'm pleased to say, if you've seen the opening title sequence, we've completed it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you for a final tour, show you some of the things we've installed, and I hope you like it. If you've not seen the channel before, there's a few videos on my channel showing the build right from the start, where we demolished our old shed in the garden, cleared all the garden out and put foundations in and built up from the ground to install the garden room slash man cave slash storage shed slash everything slash the lot. So feel free to browse the channel. Don't forget, if you like what you see, give us a like and a subscribe. Somewhere on the buttons, I don't know where they're going to be, but just give them a click and I'll take you around the man cave. In this video I'm going to do the follow on from the last video, which was about a month ago, and it's basically going to be a bit of plastering, bit of decorating, and then a final talk through of the whole room as a finished project. So thank you for watching the channel, and I'll see you soon.
Anyway, yeah, I think it's another remembered. Didn't we all? I think in parts, I think, remember?
Quick wash coat to bed in the new plaster for put the other final finish on. But we're going to do another one of these actually. I'm not going to do the final finish till after the electricians have been back and put the sockets on. So I'll take you in and show you. Right, so here we are, the grand reveal. There you go. TV and my cabinet as I set out on the video. I've got full surround sound and speakers in the ceiling, obviously some rear surround speakers. Put the lights on, obviously this one puts the 4 spotlights on the ceiling, and then if I flick this other one, as you can see, there's a bit colour changing LEDs. So I use this, and obviously you can choose the different colours depending on the mood watching a film, or whatever we want to do really. Various settings on this, and like colour changing, fading out. I don't really know how to work it, to be fair, because I've not messed about with it too much, but be a certain my kids know what they're doing with it. Like I say, TV mounted on the wall. I managed to get in, you can see around the back there, the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapters, so obviously I can get the internet and everything in the in a building. There's my channel, Papa Santi. If you want to subscribe, give us a like and a comment if you like about the garden room. Here's a radiator I've installed. It's a ATC Lifestyle oil-filled electric radiator. It's actually brilliant. It's got various settings. I have it just at very low setting at the minute. That's set to comfort level, but it sets in the eco mode. Like, I've got it set at 12.5 degrees just to keep the nip out with it being winter, and obviously I've got a little thermometer here. It's kept it at a lovely 13 degrees in here. But yeah, as you can see, I'm very happy with the results. I've not mounted the projector as I originally wanted, and the projector screen. All the fittings are there for it. Obviously you can see the HDMI is there, plug switch for mounting it. But since we've been using it, we've found that the 55-inch screen that I managed to get hold of off eBay has been ample really, so we haven't really bothered. But yeah, I'll give you a few quick look round. For those of you with a keen eye, you might have noticed here's a couple of jobs I haven't done. One is I haven't got round to putting the skirting boards on just yet because it's been raining really bad and I can't fit a full length skirting board in here, and I didn't want to store it outside until I'm ready to do the job, so I'd rather wait till I've got a dry day, go and pick it up, fit it and job done. But it's literally half an hour's work. TV cabinet from IKEA. In there, just a bit of storage shelf. There's a DVD player, the old PlayStation. There's my receiver mounted with all the wires coming through, with obviously various surround sound settings, and then games console and a couple of bits. Obviously I've not fully kitted it out yet, and some of the stuff's going back in the house, but obviously my tools and things are going to go back in the shed. But I've got a temporary curtain on just to keep prying eyes out. And it also darkens it up. If you want to watch a film, you get a really dark room with all the lights off and the temporary curtain up. But till I put some proper blinds up, I'm just going to leave the curtain up. But yeah, all works exactly how I want it. It's going to be a really useful room, especially I think in summer when we can leave the doors open. We can have it as a bit of like a living room outside as well. Yeah. Right, so as I said, this is my last video in the Man Cave series. If you'd like to see me do more videos or take the camera to work, like I said before, then please make a comment, like or subscribe to the channel so I know I've got a bit of interest. And then what I'll do is I'll take the camera to work and I'll show you how we do his various jobs at work, which is very similar to what we do here, a bit more landscaping involved. And also my next instalment on the Papa Santi channel will probably be doing my garden, landscaping my garden. Not quite finalised my design yet, what I'm going to go for, but I'm thinking some sort of courtyard, possibly with a pizza oven, because we like to make our own pizzas here at home. So I'm tempted to either build a pizza oven or make somewhere for a pizza oven within the garden. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who's clicked on the like button and subscribed, and also for if I've helped you out with any comments that you've made, and hopefully I've been of some use. But until next time, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.